right? Rembrandt Lee, right? Yes, sir, yes, sir. Okay, now we're going to talk about hold it down, right? This being an island term, I mean many things, kind of an overall term, but there's one main thing it means, right? Okay. Happy freedom. Alright, man. Fun, happy, freedom, right? That's not what it means, buddy, guys. Get the vibes right. Get the vibes right. Okay. Hold it down. Hold it down mean hold something down, right? Which don't mean nothing to nobody unless they've been there, right? Okay. Hold it down, right? Okay. This mean, right? Okay. Most of the time, it's in reference to like something that you don't want the police to know about, right? But it could be something you don't want your mother to know about. It could be something you don't want your father or maybe your teacher know about, right? So like two children, doing something, and they look and they be like, doing something they're not supposed to be doing, right? Like not doing their homework and they're supposed to be doing it, right? And they'd be like, hold it down, don't let the teacher see, kind of thing, right? Don't let the teacher see, be like, hold it down, right? Just keep it under wraps. But hold it down be a cultural thing, true and true, okay? Now, here be a good example, right? Somebody from stateside come visit the island, right? They get drunk in public and do stupidness they wouldn't do upstates because they's in the Caribbean. Then they live there a long time, many years, and they still do it, right? They still be doing that, right? And you notice local people be getting drunk or doing the same thing, but they don't do it so out in the open, right? Because of the hold it down. Check? Because anything they doing, right, out of respect, which be a whole next concept together. We're gonna write that one down too. Respect. I cover that in the next video. Out of respect for the public, for the institution, for the man, for the government, for the police, for your mother, for your father, for everybody, right? The whole thing. You hold it down, right? So you want to go party, that be safe. You want to go wind up, you want to go dance and do them thing, that be safe, man. But you hold it down. You do it where you over there, right? You don't do it so out in the open, right? I notice people visiting the island seem to just kind of let it out, because I can't do it upstate side. In the islands, we let loose and let it out all the time, so we don't worry about it too much, right? First thing. Second thing is we let loose and lay it out all the time, but we hold it down, right? So we do it proper, so it's not seen so much out in the open. And this is an important thing, just to keep it kosher. Right? Keep it kosher. Keep it safe. Right? Which also be an important thing. So how it's gonna explain hold it down. Hold it down, right? Let's say you're having a big party on the beach, right? They bring out speakers and you go out kind of stuff, man. I mean, it's be a true thing on the islands, right? There'd be a general concept called hold it down, meaning like, man, too many people come into this party. Before the police get there, right? The local people gonna self-regulate themselves to hold it down, right? Because we don't want the police to come. There be. Right? Let's say because we don't need to push the limit until the police come. Nah, man. We just gonna ride under the limit, so they don't have to come, because we hold it down ourselves. There it is. So kind of a self-regulation thing. So remember, when in the Caribbean, hold it down. Okay, later.